In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up for Temu rewards. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in temu.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Temu. So if you register for the Temu account, you'll automatically be signed up for the Temu rewards. That means you do not have to do the additional step in order to sign up for the Temu rewards. All you have to do is simply create the Temu account for yourself and sign in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, you'll have to create the account. If you already have the account, simply sign in to your account. So for that, what you have to do is simply click on this option, orders an account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. You'll be able to find various options like continue with email, continue with phone number, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with Apple. So what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Here I've clicked on this option, continue with email. Now after you do that, enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the email and password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. Now you'll be able to get the rewards in Temu automatically. So like this, you'll be able to sign up for Temu rewards. So that is how you sign up for Temu rewards. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.